we are going to start our first technical session. We are here to share with you some of the technology, some of the method of doing design, some of the methods of doing, I would say, something which I think is beneficial to what you are doing in this area. The success of these discussion sessions, first of all, is depend on you guys and girls, and also depend on the interaction. So just feel free, because we're not getting a big group, but a small group, so that we can have more interaction. So you can ask any question that you want to ask. In the event that David cannot answer, I believe we have a lot of professional people here. I think they will stand up to answer on behalf of David. Here is not about mechanical or electrical. I think the whole idea is about MEP. How we can upgrade ourselves to learn about not only electrical but also mechanical. And in fact, if we have an opportunity to find a qualified speaker, we will get a plumbing people coming to talk about the plumbing system. So it's not only limited to electrical, though we are electrical. So I guess the ultimate of this technical session is to raise the platform, the design platform of MEP in general. So like what I've mentioned, okay, we have a lineup of a lot of topics, okay, but we will not have, dancing and all this already. This is all of the MEP topics. So some of the topics that we are thinking, for example, on the electrical side,